tonight as well. So I've got my journal starter kit, and then today in the post, I made so from the journal starter kit, I made journals. So the printable one has a purple cover like this, but you can also choose from a pink cover, a yellow cover, and a lilac cover. So this is a mock-up that was sent in the post. It was sent in the post today, and I'm really pleased with it. So it's got journal prompts in it. It's the same every day, because when I work with people, I say the 2 questions that you must always ask yourself are, how do you feel and what do you need? And so the questions you ask yourself every day is, how do I feel today? Where does that feeling live in my body? What is it saying? What brought me joy and happiness today? What challenged me today? And what can I learn from it? And what can I do to love and support myself more? And then it just gives you space to write. So that's nice. And over the weekend, I'm going to put the other colours up in my Etsy shop. But they're not quite ready yet. So I will come into the group and let you know when they are. 120 pages. For you to fill up with all your writing. And if you want to work with me one-to-one, I'm offering a new coaching package which is called Pocket Coach, and Pocket Coach is messaging and voicemail coaching. And the reason I'm doing that is because a lot of the people I work with are very, very sensitive, and sometimes when you're on camera face to face it can be really intense, or they freeze over, or their mind goes blank and they can't think what to say. And so when we're messaging backwards and forwards, it means you can fit it in around your day as well. You've got time to think about what you're saying. You've got time, you know, it's a slower back and forth. So all of those links Nikki has put in the comments. Lucy says, sorry, I'm late. Come on in, Lucy. Lovely to see you. You can order one, Zoe. I'm going to put them in my Etsy shop. So there's going to be a pink one, and then there's a yellow one. So I'm going to call that one Sunshine. That's like the yellow of the inside of the daisy. And then there's lilac, luscious or lovely lilac, I don't know what I'm going to call it, which is slightly lighter than this one. Yes, very exciting, very exciting. Right, should we do some journaling together now I've done my spiel?